I'm Taylor, and this coming Sunday is going to be Easter, so I thought it would be a really cool idea for me to film an Easter-themed video every day this week. And today I thought it would be really cute if I showed you guys how to draw some eggs in a basket just to get started with the Easter-themed drawings. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this step by step. So I'm going to have 3 eggs in the basket. You can do as many or as few as you want. So I just started with tracing 3 circles. I did overlap them because they will be overlapped. There's going to be 1 in the middle and then there's going to be 2 on the sides. So you're going to want to trace 3 circles if you want to do it how I'm doing it. And they'll pretty much be placed there. And the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to shape out the egg. And I would recommend starting with the middle one. And then you'll do the other 2 pretty much in the same shape. The nice thing about this is that you do have a base already established, so you really just have to do the top part. It's not like you're trying to figure it out based on your own idea of what an egg looks like. It's kind of already mapped out for you. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to erase the other part of the circle. So you just have one shape. And then I still think that I think it's smart to give it a face just to make it super cute. So that's the next thing I'm going to do. Is I'm going to sketch out faces on each of them. So the middle one, just going to give it 2 circle eyes and a smile. I am going to give them 3 different facial expressions. You can do this however you want, but I thought it would be kind of cute to do it differently. And this one's going to be pretty much just a mix of the 2. So kind of he's winking behind the other egg. So like I said, you can give them any kind of expression that you want. I just think they're fun to do. I absolutely love drawing little faces. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch out a basket and then a little handle. This part's pretty easy. It's basically a trapezoid flipped upside down. So it's like a little line going through like that. And then 2 lines going down, then 1 more meeting them, kind of like that. You can do a different shape. You can make it more round or closer in and make it really square. Our baskets look like this every year, so I just thought it would be kind of unique to make it look like that. And then I'm going to give it a little handle. It's pretty much just like a little dome shape. At the top. The next thing I would do is actually erase the bottom part because you're not going to see them. unless your basket is see-through and like clear, but mine's not, so I'm going to go ahead and erase the bottoms, so it's just the little tops that are poking through. So then your whole circle that you started with should be completely gone. So yeah, you pretty much erase it. And I'm going to not do it really hard with like a really like difficult weave pattern. I think it would be like kind of fun if you just gave it like some little stripes, kind of like this. So I did 4 going that way, and then I'm going to do another 4 going the opposite direction. So it makes this crisscross pattern. And then your handle, there's not much more I would do to it. You can make it more difficult. You can like maybe add like a little flower at the end of the handle just to give it some character. Make it like extra cute. Maybe give your basket some little like fake grass or something. But after that, I would just touch up some of the details to make them a little bit more round, not as pointy. So you can like add more detail. You can do it even more simple than this if you want. You can only do 1 egg. Doesn't need to be in a basket. Just do this how you want. This is how I would do it. After this, I would ink it and color it. So yeah, that's my 3 eggs in a basket. So the next part of this week is going to be more Easter themed drawing tutorials. So yeah, I thought this would be really fun. And I have some other videos going on right now that are more difficult. I'm going to continue doing different body styles for comic book characters. If you want to check that out too. That's also going to be going on this next part of the week. So I hope you liked my little eggs. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to. And bye.